Welcome to New York City. This is ice. This is ice. I waited 4 days to leave my house after the snow. I thought this shit was gonna look a little better, you know? Oh, God, please don't let me fall again. Oh my God. I thought maybe, yeah, by now, they would have come with our tax dollars and cleaned the parks. Wow. Shit, this is awful. This is awful. I know people, they run, and then there's people that they know how to walk in the ice. I don't. Sue me. Oh my God. This is the Empire State. We actually destroy entire countries by destabilizing their economy and their governments, orchestrating coups, supposedly so we live, you know, accordingly, I guess. I don't even know what to say. Oh my God, don't let me fall, God. I didn't think I went up the stairs. It's like the stairs was awful. I thought it was like maybe over here had melted. There was a little trail. Just open a damn little trail. Come on. Oh, this Italian mafia we got for governor, for mayor, for, you know, I'm like, oh my God. It's crazy. Shit is crazy, you know. They're just gonna wait until there's a heat wave or something. There's not gonna be no heat wave. Shit, it's like, you know, when is it like the 24th is tomorrow, ain't it? I have to look. You know, I'm not into that shit. Oh, there's a I gotta get out. At least the sidewalks are okay, you know. But why, you know? It's like, shit, I've been locked up for 4 days. And I thought, let me go to the park for a little bit. And that guy's arrebatado. Oh my God. Yeah, we gotta speak up. New Yorkers. Where is Rosie Perez? You know. She's so thirsty. She jumped at the opportunity to shame us. You know, respect. Show us some respect. Bitch, where you at right now? We need some respect right now. This is, I know, I think she was born in the Brooklyn. Anyway.